Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix controller not working in Skate. Now what you want to do is just open up your Steam, okay? Come to the top left, click on this Steam logo. Right here you'll get a drop down. From here I want you to click on settings, right? Click on settings, and from here on the left hand panel I want you to scroll down until you see controller. And then I want you to go ahead and toggle these on. For example, enable Steam input for Xbox controllers, PlayStation controller support, right? Make sure it's enabled, even in games without support, and then enable these ones as well. A lot of people don't have this one enabled, which actually causes the issues, okay? And after you go ahead and enable this, you restart Steam, okay? And then you can go ahead and relaunch Skate. It should work. So if you come here, you connect everything, you go back to settings, you should see your controller detected right here. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.